In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable document access for applications on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should say settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select privacy and security. And on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath app permissions and locate documents. Go ahead and select that. Versus document library access, just go ahead and toggle that to the off position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.